Hey friends, do you know that India has gone all the way to the moon? Yes, with the Chandrayaan missions, India showed how amazing space science can be. I'm your host Nikhil Subramaniam. You're watching Science Talks with Nikhil. Let's dive into the video. What is Chandrayaan? Chandrayaan means mooncraft in Sanskrit. Yes, India made a spacecraft series built to explore the moon. Just like detectives or you find out who ate the last cookie, they go up, click pictures of the moon and study what the moon is made up of. In 2008, India launched Chandrayaan 1. It was successfully launched and sent to orbit the moon. And guess what? It made a huge discovery. It found water molecules on the moon. This made scientists around the world super excited because one day astronauts could live and work on the moon. But Chandrayaan 1 took 21 days to reach the moon. Sadly, communication on the spacecraft was lost on August 29, 2009. But the mission's key objective was successfully met. Next, in 2019, India launched Chandrayaan 2. But this time, it had three parts: a orbiter, a lander named Vikram, and a rover named Pragyan. The orbiter was successfully sent to orbit the moon, but the lander, just before touchdown, we lost communication, so it failed to land. And the rover never went to explore the area since the lander failed to land. Chandrayaan 2 took 48 days to reach the moon, but the mission was a huge success because we learned so much. And the orbiter is still orbiting the moon and sending us valuable data each day. Next, in 2023, India launched Chandrayaan 3. That's the same three parts like before, but this time India did something historic. We landed on the south pole of the moon. You know why it's so special? Because no country has ever landed there before, making India the first country to land there. The South Pole is super interesting because it may have a lot of ice water and resources that could help future missions. Vikram lander and the rover Pragyan was only built for one lunar night, which is 14 Earth days if you do not know, and was not built for the extreme cold lunar night. So, when the sun sets, the lander and the rover was sent to sleep mode, and reawakening those is a big challenge. And there was only little hope that they will resume their work again. But sadly, we could not reawakening those. So when Chandrayaan 3 landed on the South Pole, it has been given a formal name, that landing point. It's called the Station Shiv Shakti or the Shiv Shakti Point. This was approved by the International Astronomical Union in March 2024. Chandrayaan 3 made India the fourth country in the world to land on the moon after USA, Russia and China. Chandrayaan is just not about the moon, it's about smart science, teamwork and hard work. Who knows, maybe one day you could also be a great scientist, astronaut or engineer, making the next big discovery. That's your friend Nikhil signing off.